Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the UAG Plasma Case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra that I'm going to review. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S20 Ultra. This one comes from UAG. Like I said earlier, this is their Plasma Series case. I want to shout out UAG for actually sending this case to me for a review. You can get this case from Amazon. It comes in two different colors. It is $39.95. It comes in ash and then also ice. The same price, which is great. If you want to pause the video, you can do that, so you can read that too. Nice little presentation from UAG. They always have great presentation. The box that the case comes in is amazing. Like, you know, they spend some money on these cases. On the packaging, so that's a good thing. But here's the case itself. This one is not heavy duty like the Monarch is, but it will protect your phone. Look at the corner drop zones that you have here, or corner protection. I like the honeycomb pattern. You have the little UAG brand in there. The volume rockers here and the power button. The cutouts look great too. But let's see how it fits. It doesn't add much bulk to your phone, and it shows off some of the beauty of the phone. Look at the camera hump. It definitely gives you protection there. Also the flip action there on the side, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. The cutouts at the bottom look good. The microphone also. It actually feels really good. I like how it feels in my hands. The power button works great. My Face ID is not working around the camera right now, but that's okay. The volume rocker is easy to press. Man, I think I'm going to rock this case for a little bit now. Definitely one of my favorite UAG there. But yeah, you definitely will get that drop protection with these corners. What y'all think about it? I think it actually looks pretty good. Can you wireless charge? That is the next question. As you can tell, you can wireless charge. The next thing that people always want to know, can you power share charge with it? I'm going to definitely find out right now. One thing I noticed too with my Pixel, sometimes it acts funny with the wireless charging. Right there, you can see that it's charging with no problem with the case on. So again, if you want to pick up this UAG Plasma Series case, I will have the links in the description. That way you can definitely pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.